Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a football step by step. First, draw a freehand circle. Don't worry if it's not perfectly round, you can always refine it later. Start by drawing a pentagon shape. This will be the foundation of our football. Take your time with this step because the rest of the pattern will be built around it. Next, draw hexagon shapes around the pentagon. Footballs are basically made of a combination of pentagons and hexagons, creating their iconic pattern. Continue adding panels while following the curve of the ball. Once all the panels are in place, erase any unnecessary guideline marks and darken the final outlines. Okay, so now our football structure is complete and let's bring the football to life with shading. Imagine the light source is coming from the top left. This means that the lower right side will be darker. Always use a light hand. Add a soft layer of graphite around the edges of the ball. It is completely okay if you don't have any expensive material, pencil or anything. I am also using a simple mechanical pencil, an eraser and a simple earbud for smudging the areas for shading. Darken the area between some of the panels and gradually blend the shading using an earbud. Keep the top left section lighter to create an highlight. Build up the darker tones slowly rather than pressing hard immediately. Here I am using a simple black marker to outline the football. Darken the areas of the pentagons that we have drawn. Use any white pencil to highlight the darker areas. Add a shadow beneath the football to make it look like it's resting on any surface. And that is it. Our shaded football drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comments what would you like me to draw next. Thanks for watching. See you soon.